What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are installing our Metal Cloak steering components on the Jeep. I guess we've been experiencing some DEATH WOBBLE for some time now, so just trying to get all the elements together and see exactly what's really the problem and why our Jeep is shaking so bad in the front. But let's get to it. First thing you want to do, you want to take off your tie rod. If you're planning on using your tie rod again, just keep your nut on it face down and just knock it down with a hammer. Unloosen it, and the same thing goes for the other side. Alright, now we got the tie rod loose. Now we can loosen up the steering stabilizer. Tie rod actually lined up. You're gonna want to size it up with the old one. And there, you want to take our new tie rod in. Start threading our nut. Now we come on this side. Before you go get your alignment done and start taking off with your Jeep, you want to adjust these bars here, the tie rod ends. You want to adjust them so you can fairly try to get your wheel as straight as possible to your back wheel. You know, and what I mean by that, you can adjust it to get both sides as straight as possible, because if not, you're gonna have one wheel leaning in trying to drive in while the other wheel's straight on the road. And yes, you know, granted, you're gonna go get an alignment, but you want it as straight as possible, unless you're getting it done at a shop, which they can, you know, do the alignment right then and there. But if you're doing it at home, you want to get your wheels as centered as possible before you drive it. Alright, from there you want to take off this bolt with your track bar. It's a 21. Alright, from there we can work on our top track bar. Alright, now we can pull our track bar out. We can get our new one ready to go in. And it is an adjustable track bar, y'all, so you can adjust it where need be. Alright, now we got that in. You can take your bracket, thread your bolt all the way through. Alright guys, now you want to take the bolt that came with it, line up your hole here, and just pop that through. Alright, now we can put our nut on the back end. Alright, now we got our bracket all tightened up and secured. Drag link off. Just Alright guys, after beating and beating and beating on it, finally got the drag link top piece in. Put our nut on. Alright, from there we can go ahead and tighten up our other side. Put our nut at the top. To dial your steering wheel in, if it's a little crooked, you could just twist this and adjust it as need be to get your steering wheel straight. Alright y'all, so we just tightened up our drag link and we put our bottom fitting in. Now just gotta grease it. Alright, now we can go and tighten everything up. Okay guys, now we got it all tightened up. We can go and insert our little grease fittings. Now we can go insert our pin. Same thing for this side. We can go insert our grease fitting. Put our fitting at the bottom of the tie rod. Alright guys, next we're going to take our bolt, nut and washer. Alright guys, now we got the back part of our steering stabilizer on. Right now we're going to put our Metal Cloak bracket on for this side. Just going to put it on like that. Now we got our bracket on. Now we're going to take our bolt and put our bolt in through the top. Alright guys, another fact, you only want your spacers to be 16 inches apart. So bolt to bolt. So you see I need to come over just a little bit. And come over just a little bit more. We're 16 inches exactly. So now we can go and tighten this up. So all I have to do now is get the alignment done on it. And that'll be a wrap. Well, thanks for watching today's video, guys. That is pretty much it. All I gotta do now is get the tires on, and I'm gonna take it down the highway, test drive it. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. We out.